Good morning, family and frenzies. What's up, y'all? We finally made it to Florida, guys. We spent our first full night here in the state of Florida as residents. Finally made it, guys. Finally made it. So, I am just trying to get myself together because now it's time for all the unpacking. But I'm not even going to stress y'all. I'm going to just do what I can do day by day. There's a lot of people in the house. You know, the girl's going to help. You know, everybody's going to help do what they got to do. So, I'm not even going to stress about everything that's downstairs. Not at all. Because there's bags everywhere, y'all. I'm just trying to do something to my hair. Y'all, my hair is so freaking dry. And I don't know where all of my hair products are. And I call myself getting some labels and everything and labeling everything. But like towards the end, y'all, when we was really trying to like get everything together and get everything packed up, I just started throwing stuff anyway, y'all. I just started just throwing it into boxes. So there's a lot of like miscellaneous things inside boxes that I just been coming across, and I can't find my good brush or my good comb, y'all. I have no clue where it's at. So I'm looking kind of crazy right now. But I'm just trying to pull my hair back and a little ponytail or something, just something, so I'm not walking around looking all wild and crazy. I got my hair gel here, and I just sprayed on some conditioning detangler or whatever. And I'm just gonna put some gel on the sides of my hair and wrap a tie around it and pull it back and call it a day, y'all. So I'm gonna actually go downstairs this morning and I'm gonna start unpacking some of the bags. We haven't even been grocery shopping yet, so we definitely have to go grocery shopping. There was a few things here in the house that Shania had bought before we came. So I'm gonna go down there to see what all's downstairs in the kitchen, because of course when we go grocery shopping, I don't want to be out there buying stuff that we don't need. Because I know how I get in the grocery store. Once I get in the grocery store, y'all, I just go crazy. I love grocery shopping, by the way. I just love it. I don't know, I just find it fun. I know some people don't like grocery shopping. I do. Definitely like it. And we had planned to actually go to BJ's so that we can get some bulk stock, some bulk food, since we do have more people in our household now. We just feel like it's better to just go to BJ's and like get our meats and like our non-perishable items that will last us for a while, because we're not trying to be in the grocery store every week, of course. So I'm gonna just go down there. I'm not even starting. I don't think I'm starting. Maybe I'll start in the kitchen. It may be easier for me to start in the kitchen because I want to pull everything out of the pantry right now, because it's all kinds of things like on the shelf. And one of my goals was to make sure my pantry was organized. So I'm gonna try my best to do that. And what I need to do now is actually figure out where I'm gonna put everything in my kitchen, like where everything is gonna go. So I have to see what we have and see what cabinets. Like I already found the cabinet where I'm gonna keep my my mixer. I have a large mixer downstairs, and I don't bake that much, y'all, but I've been using my mixer for my hair butters. Like when I make my hair butter, I've been using the mixer downstairs, and that's pretty much the only time I'm usually pulling that big mixer out. So I found a cabinet for that. I found a cabinet, so pretty much wherever I keep my hand mixer, that's where I'm gonna keep like the blender, and we have a juicer down there. Like all those really big bulk appliances, I'm gonna keep stored away, because I don't want those on top of the cabinet exposed all the time, because it's things that we don't use all the time. We just pull them out here and there. So All right, y'all, so I pulled my hair into a ponytail. Yep, I'm gonna leave it just like this and call it a day, y'all. It don't have to be nothing fancy, something really quick. So I'm not walking around looking all crazy and wild, y'all. So what I'm gonna do now is go on down there and see what bag I'm gonna start with first, y'all. And I'm gonna vlog myself unpacking the bags, and let's see where we're gonna put all this stuff. Okay, y'all. Come on with me, let's go on downstairs. Guys, I'm still in my pajamas, look. Oh, the camera wasn't turned around. I'm telling y'all, look, y'all can't even see me because the camera wasn't even turned around. Yep, still in my pajamas. Okay, y'all, come on. Let's go downstairs. So this is, let me just get my tripod real quick. All right, let's go on downstairs. This is our bedroom, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all everything in a minute, but everything is still all over the place. This is our bedroom, but everything is gonna look nice soon. Let's go on downstairs. Let me turn this light out first. Not trying to leave any lights on. Oh, I gotta figure out what a light switch is. I gotta get used to that, y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all, let's see these bags everywhere. All down here. We have stuff over here that has to be put up. We have stuff over here. This is Sean's man cave, which is not set up yet, but this is pretty much his man cave. We brought our fireplace. We put it down here in his space. Shania had to get her lights and her cameras. This is her school equipment. I'm not sure if I told y'all, but she's studying TV and video production, so soon she'll be standing next to Tyler Perry, y'all. I'm speaking that into existence. All right, and that's Sean's recliner. All right, so yeah, we got a lot of stuff to put away. As you can see, this is just piles and piles of stuff. There's a hamper here, and then over here, this is my Zindan, which is also not set up yet. Shania's gonna have to get Rocky's cage. She usually put him in here, like when we leave the house and stuff. But she's gonna have to find another space for that, of course. So, yeah, y'all, this is everything that we have to put away. All this stuff leading all the way into the kitchen. All this stuff. Yep, we have a bin here. Okay, so this is our pantry that I was telling y'all about. See, there's a lot of like miscellaneous items just all over the place. So I just want to clean this up and get it ready to be restocked, especially for when we go to the grocery store. Over here is my coffee station. This is our Keurig coffee machine. I got some things set up back there already. I had put some tea bags into a little storage bin before we moved. This is like packages of oatmeal. So this over here is pretty much going to be the breakfast station. I think I'll probably like put cereals into this top cabinet, cereals and oatmeal, stuff like that. And remember I said I had space for my mixer. There's the mixer down there. So I'm going to pretty much use this cabinet for my larger appliances to store those away. We have some drawers here. I'll figure out what we're going to put in there. So over here, you know, the kitchen's not set up yet, but I'm going to figure out exactly what we need to do. Sean is over there. He's taking a nap. He's been up early since like 5 o'clock. He's used to get up early in the morning and starting the day. And over here, guys, I got to figure out what I'm going to put into these cabinets over here. So I'll figure it out. It's a lot of storage space here. And I'm short, y'all, so I'm probably not going to put anything that I'm going to be needing daily up on the top shelf. But maybe like extra food items will go up on top, and this way, when we need it, I'll just get up on a ladder and pretty much get it from up there. Like once we're out of our stock. So yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna set y'all up so y'all can watch me unpack some of these bags so I can get some of this stuff cleared up. And everybody else is asleep, but as soon as they get up, they're coming down here to help. So that's exactly what it's gonna be. Ain't nobody being lazy up in here. They're gonna come down here and help me. All right, y'all, let me get this stuff set up.
Dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick.
Okay, y'all, so I got everything out of the pantry. I unpacked all of our seasonings over here, right over there, and it's probably some more seasonings scattered. We had a ton of seasoning at home because we just love to cook, so we have all kinds of different seasonings and stuff. So I have to find my my spice organizer. I got a really nice spice organizer with the jars and everything. I need to find that because I'm gonna use those to store away our seasonings. A lot of the seasonings is not even full, y'all. Some of it only have a little bit. So I'm going to have to take a look at everything to see what it is that we need to restock on. And then this way I'll know what to get from the grocery store. So I think I'm going to just leave the seasonings there for now until I can find the spice rack. It's in here somewhere because I had it sent to the house before we even moved. So I just have to find it. But I'm going to figure out what it is we need to restock on, find the spice rack so I can prepare all of our seasonings to be organized into our seasoning drawer. Right now, right here is a lot of stuff that just came out of the pantry that was not organized. So, and I also have some right over there by the coffee station. So I need to just figure out how I'm going to organize this area. You see everything is empty now in the spice closet, so I just need to figure out how I'm going to organize everything and see what I'm going to put on the shelves over there, and then I'll pretty much come back and show you guys what I decided to do. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop here for now. Like I said, we have a whole lot to do in this house. So I'm going to stop here for now, and I will be back with you guys a little later. I still have a lot to show y'all because I haven't even showed you the house yet. Our house is fully furnished. There is a few things that I want to get to add as little decor accents and everything. But we have enough to actually give you a tour, but I can't give you a complete tour until we've cleared out most of these things that we have to unpack so that you guys could get a better, clearer picture of what it is we have going on here, okay? Because I still have to show you guys the patio, show you guys exactly what I decided to do out there. And I need to show you guys the living room. You've probably seen part of it already. And again, I have to show you our bedrooms, but like I said, it's not completely set up yet, but I can at least show you guys what we have for now. All right, but I'm gonna go for now, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on our video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. We appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Take care, be best, and stay safe. Till next time, guys. Bye.